Hello everyone and welcome to Tripp's Art Class. We have a art book review today, and that is How to Draw Comics the Marvel Way by, of course, Stan Lee and John Buscema. So this book is about this thick, okay? And what we do in our book reviews is we just go ahead and turn and flip through every single page so you can see what you're getting into before you actually purchase the book for yourself. Now this is a go-to book for many beginning comic book artists. You hear many people recommend this book. It's typically for sale at comic book conventions. It is a dated book. I mean, it feels like something that was created a while ago, but has some really good content in it, in my opinion. And it starts off for beginners, but it really does have some more complicated content. Now, some art books you can just kind of look at the pictures and use the pictures to learn, but this book, even though there's not a ton of writing, I would really recommend people to do the writing. Okay, it's one of those books where the writing in it is actually good information and is worth your time. I read this book on the Kindle. I believe it was on the Kindle. And then I went back and bought a print version of it because I enjoyed it so much. And this book, compared to other books similar to it, is it's more of a practical book. It just really gets to the point. And it definitely doesn't cover different comics. I mean, this is a book about Marvel Comics. So if you're into more of an independent style, this probably isn't the best book for you. Of course, there's good information in here that's going to help any comic artist. The more you know, the better off you're going to be. So there it is. And you can see how thick it is. How to Draw Comics the Marvel Way. So thanks for hanging out today at Tripp's Art Class during this art book review. Please subscribe if you want more of these, and we'll catch you later.